Jupiter-like planets may push alien Earths away from life-friendly orbits. Studies imply that Jupiter and other planets can be agents of chaos surrounding other stars. The new research found that gas giant planets the size of Jupiter or larger typically push smaller, Earth-sized planets out of their circular orbits in newborn planetary systems. Life on terrestrial planets needs stability to grow, thus this instability is harmful. Watch Melancholia, 2011, to learn how a planet's environment will irreversibly deteriorate if it hits or gets too close to a neighbor. Consider the nightmare of 4 huge planets orbiting HD 141399. It's as if they have 4 Jupiters acting like wrecking balls, throwing everything out of whack. Stephen Kane. The planetary quartet is far from its star, but their existence might harm an Earth-like planet in the habitable zone. With so many massive planets nearby, computer models revealed Earth would struggle to survive. Very unlikely, replied Kane. There are only a select few areas where the giant's gravitational pull would not knock a rocky planet out of its orbit and send it flying right out of the zone. Earth doesn't have Hunger Games energy, thankfully. Jupiter is a blessing in our neighborhood. Comets and asteroids that would hit Earth are deflected by the gas giant's gravity. If Jupiter were in our habitable zone, our solar system might be different.